A very good morning to my dear students. Today's our topic is regarding the chapter staffing 12th class business studies and chapter number 6 staffing. Now we will discuss components, or we can say that elements, or we can say that aspects of staffing. As we know that staffing is the function of putting the right person into right job. एक बेस्ट कैंडिडेट को हमने एक जॉब जो वैकेंट है ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के अंदर, उस पे हमने एक बेस्ट कैंडिडेट को सेलेक्ट करना है बस. दैट इज़ द प्रोसेस विच इज़ नोन एज स्टाफिंग. और इसके लिए हम बहुत सारे कंपोनेंट्स यूज़ करते हैं. मेनली 3 कंपोनेंट्स आर यूज्ड. फर्स्ट वन इज रिक्रूटमेंट, second aspect is selection, and third aspect is training. So we can see that recruitment plus selection plus training is equal to staffing. Or we can say that staffing is the process which includes these 3 components: recruitment, selection and training. Or we can say that we are able to find out the best candidate if we go through these 3 aspects, 3 elements. First one is recruitment, second one is training, third one is recruitment, selection and training, and recruitment plus selection plus training is equal to staffing. So now we will discuss the first aspect, that is recruitment. Recruitment is the process by which we can attract or we can induce. This is the process of inducing. This is the process of inducing or attracting or inviting more and more candidates, more and more candidates, more and more candidates for filling the vacant jobs, for filling the vacant jobs. जो हमारी वैकेंट जॉब्स होती हैं उनको फिल करने के लिए वी आर टू इनवाइट मोर एंड मोर कैंडिडेट्स, बिकॉज इफ वी आर हैविंग मोर कैंडिडेट्स then we can find out the best one candidate among those candidates who is stable for performing the job of the particular organization. So this is the very very important function in which we are to induce or attract or inviting more and more applications for the business organization for filling the vacant jobs. And sources of this recruitment, how we can recruit. रिक्रूटमेंट का मतलब है बेटा ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा एप्लीकेबल जो कैंडिडेट्स हैं उनको इनवाइट करना कि वो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अप्लाई कर सके ताकि हम उनमें से बेस्ट को सिलेक्ट कर सके. सोर्सेज हैं, देयर आर मैनी 2 सोर्सेज आर एग्जिस्ट. 2 सोर्सेज हैं हमारे इसके रिक्रूटमेंट के, एंड दीज सोर्सेज आर internal source of recruitment, internal source and external source. Now we will discuss about this aspect. as we know that internal source of recruitment, internal source of recruitment according to this source, vacant jobs they are to be filled out by the existing employees who are working in the organization. Or we can say that when vacant jobs they are to be filled out of existing employees, that is the process of internal source of recruitment. हमारे जो ऑलरेडी एम्प्लॉइज काम कर रहे हैं बेटा, उन्हीं में से हमने वैकेंट जॉब को फिल्ड करना है. दैट इज द प्रोसेस बाय विच वी कैन अपॉइंट आवर बेस्ट कैंडिडेट्स. नो एक्सटर्नल, नो वी कैन से दैट आउटसाइडर्स, no outsiders are permitted in internal sources. As we know that this process is very economical, because we are not inviting outsiders to apply for the particular job. All the vacant jobs they are to be filled out by the existing employees, and there may be some methods which are to be used by the organizations. So first of all we discuss the advantages of internal source of recruitment. First one, it is economical. It is economical. ये बेटा ज़्यादा एक्सपेंसिव प्रोसेस नहीं है, इकोनॉमिकल है, बिकॉज वी आर गोइंग टू फिलिंग द जॉब बाय एग्जिस्टिंग एम्प्लॉइज. नो एक्सटर्नल एफर्ट्स दे आर टू बी मेड. सेकंड, it motivates the existing employees. It motivates the existing employees, or we can say that existing employees they can be motivated by applying these source of recruitment, so that they will try to give their best to the organization. Or in this less amount is spent on training, or we can say that training is not required. When we fill our vacant job by existing employees, then there is no need to giving them training, because they are already trained who are working in the organization. Next one, existing employees. As we know that existing employees they are very well known. They are very well known about rules and regulations of the organization. So it is very essential for the smooth functioning, because they know about the rule and regulations of the organization already. And next, performance can be improved. This is the source of method by which performance of existing employees can be improved, or it is very helpful for the improvement of the performance of the business organization. Or we can say that by this process surplus staff, if we are having surplus staff can be utilized can be utilized in a better way. If we are having surplus staff, अगर हमारे पास surplus staff है जिनकी requirement नहीं है, then we can properly utilize those that particular staff in a better way. Next, by transfer, training can be given. Training can be given to the employees, to the existing employees. So this process must help the existing employees for their betterment, because they are to be given some training if they are required. So first component is recruitment. Recruitment means inviting, inducing or attracting more and more candidates for filling the vacant job in the organization. This is the internal source of recruitment. इसमें हम क्या करते हैं बेटा, अगर हमारे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में वैकेंट जॉब हैं तो हम आउटसाइडर्स को ना अलाउड करके हम अपना जो एग्जिस्टिंग स्टाफ है उन्हीं को, जैसे ट्रांसफ़र के माध्यम से या प्रमोशन के माध्यम से, ये मेथड्स हैं हमारे. देर आर 2 मेथड्स बाय विच वी कैन डन दिस प्रोसेस, एंड दे आर ट्रांसफ़र एंड प्रमोशन. ये 2 मेथड्स हैं इसके, एंड दीज आर द एडवांटेजेस. नाउ